Ein Löwe ist schnell, ein Tiger ist schneller, aber ein Gepard ist am schnellsten. When you're comparing three things or persons, you need the superlative form of the adjective. That's what we are going to test today. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German. In our January special, the 15-day challenge, you have a new topic every day which you can test. Today, we have the superlative form of the adjectives. You will be seeing 15 adjectives with their positive and the comparative form. You have to tell the superlative form. Superlativ. See the adjective and you will have 5 seconds to tell the superlative form. For example, modern, moderne, am modernsten. After 5 seconds, the answer will be displayed. So, let's begin. Kalt, kälter. Alt, älter. Billig, billiger. Klein, kleiner. Kurz, kürzer. Gut, besser. Schön, schöner. Schnell, schneller. Viel, mehr. Arm, ärmer. Reich, reiche. Jung, junger. Hell, heller. Lang, länger. Groß, größer. So, this was the last one. How many did you get correct? Do let us know in the comments. You can always watch the video again if you want to practice more. Just like all other videos in this series, for the patrons there won't be any transcript, summary, extra worksheet or podcast. However, by becoming a $5 patron, you can get an early access to this video. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. To practice what you have learned, become a patron free of cost and download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. All links can be found below in the description. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron and to our podcasts by becoming a $5 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!